Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. In the last video, we discussed about leave of absence in Workday, commonly called LOA. In today's video, we are going to talk about what happens after a leave of absence ends. We'll walk through the return from leave process in Workday and see how the system automatically restores employee status, accruals, payroll, and benefits. What is return from leave? Return from leave is the process used to bring an employee back to active working status after an approved leave. Instead of manually updating multiple systems, Workday automatically changes employee status, restarts accruals, reactivates payroll, restores benefits. Everything happens in one smooth workflow. End-to-end process flow. Here is how it works step by step. HR or manager initiates return from leave. Workday reviews the effective return date. Employee status changes from leave on leave to active. Accruals resume. Payroll restarts. Benefits eligibility continues. All updates happens automatically in real time. What gets updated automatically? When an employee returns, multiple modules are impacted. Absence, accruals restart, balances update, payroll, salary and pay resumes, pay hours calculated. Benefits, coverage continues or reinstates. Time tracking, employee can log time again. This shows how deeply integrated Workday is. Real life example. Let's say an employee is on maternity leave for 3 months. During leave, accruals paused, payroll stopped. On the return date, status becomes active, PTO accrual restarts, payroll resumes automatically. Benefits continue, no manual corrections needed. Let's look into the special scenarios. Workday also supports early return, leave extension, partial return, schedule or FT changes after return. The system recalculates everything using proration and eligibility rules. Let's understand this flow by a simple diagram. Here is the return from leave process works in Workday. The employee starts in an on leave status. This is on leave. On leave. And then comes return request. Return request. And then comes manager or HR approval. And then status is active here. Status equal to active. And then comes accruals plus payroll plus benefits restart. The employee starts in an on leave status. HR or manager submits a request with an effective date here. After approval, the workday automatically changes the employee status back to active here. And then once active, the accruals begin earning again and payroll resumes processing pay and benefits coverage is also reinstated or continued here. And this seamless automation ensures a smooth transition back to work without manual updates. I hope you understood. And let's see the interview questions on this topic. What is return from leave in Workday? It's the process that moves an employee from on leave status back to active while restarting. Accruals or payroll and benefits. What happens to accruals when an employee returns? Accruals resume automatically based on configured rules. Can employees return early from leave? Yes, Workday supports early return and recalculates balances using proration. Which modules are impacted during return? Absence, payroll, benefits, time tracking, and reporting. Is manual integration required? No, Workday automatically updates all through the workflow. And this return from leave ensures employee transition back to work smoothly while keeping balances and pay accurate. And this completes the full leave life cycle in Workday. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more content. Thank you.